It's time to arise, arise, arise. See, when we get into a season of being in pause, we say things like, I'm going to pray later. I'm going to pick up that assignment that God gave me next year. I don't have the money to start it right now. I'm going to start that business in maybe a few years. I have my vision, but I'm just not sure what to do next.
Hello, ladies. This is Lady Ebony Bell from the Arise Church. I wanted to formally say hello to you all and to welcome you all to the Arise Women Facebook page. So excited that we have almost 200 women already in less than a month. I'm just so excited. Please continue to share this ministry with other women. This ministry is again based out of the Arise Church of Bear, Delaware. Pastor Ronald Bell is the pastor, and I'm his wife, Lady Ebony. And I really had a burden, really for years, to do something special for women who are striving to be the best women, mothers, wives, educators, entrepreneurs that they can be. And so I really created this ministry alongside a host of other women to really just share expertise in certain areas, such as, again, motherhood, sisterhood, fashion and beauty. We're going to be giving out makeup tips, home help and creativity, and just really helping women to balance all that we deal with on a daily basis. We know that women are extremely important to God, and we're just beautiful and unique creatures, and God has created us to be nurturers of everything around us. And as women, of course, we try to nurture everything, and we really just need help sometimes and just comfort from other women who are experts in certain areas. And so my whole vision is that, you know, this network of women comes together and we share our experiences and our expertise with each other in order to make us the best women we can possibly be. The ministry is based out of Proverbs 31, of course, the virtuous woman, and how she juggles everything and balances and does everything so excellently. And so again, I just invite you guys to share the page with everyone. Definitely want to invite you to our first meetup, which will be December the 1st at 2:00 p.m. Please stay posted on the Arise Facebook page, and all the other details will be coming out, but it will be held at my home in Dover, Delaware, and I'm so excited to host you all. We're going to be talking about virtue, just virtue in general, and the first workshop is called The Balancing Act. So we're going to be talking about how to balance this everyday life that we have to live. So again, I just want to bless you all, love you, and encourage you to be the best women you can be. All right, love you.
Again, as God's children, we must spend time with Him. We must not only hear the strategy, but we must execute it. It made no sense for me to go to hours and hours, twice a day practices, weight room, 500 abs a day. It made no sense for me to do all that if I got on the track and just didn't listen. I just didn't do it. I didn't execute it. So we have to execute the plan.